Looking to build a high-performance gaming rig that turns heads and keeps its cool under pressure? Meet the MSI MPG GUNGNIR 300R Airflow, a PC case designed not just for airflow, but for absolute dominance. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about this stylish and functional chassis, from its cooling power to its modular features. So stick around if you're serious about upgrading your build game. Let's talk airflow, because MSI isn't messing around. The GUNGNIR 300R features a one-piece 1mm perforated front panel that's built for ventilation. It's not just mesh, it's precision designed for maximum air intake. The case comes pre-installed with four 120mm ARGB fans, fully controllable via MSI Mystic Light, so you're getting both performance and visual flair right out of the box. You can install dual 360mm AIO radiators, one at the front and one at the top, for a powerful push-pull cooling setup that handles the most demanding hardware without breaking a sweat. If you love building PCs, or even if it's your first time, this case has you covered. One of its standout features is the omnidirectional GPU support stand, which is toolless and fully adjustable. Whether your GPU is mounted horizontally or vertically, the GUNGNIR 300R keeps it steady. You also get a sliding HDD tray and a switchable GPU bracket, making installation and future upgrades smooth and frustration-free. With support for eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX, this case fits just about any motherboard you throw at it. Let's be honest, we all want a rig that looks as good as it runs. The MPG GUNGNIR 300R delivers with controllable ARGB lighting, visible through its ventilated panels and clean interior. The sleek, minimal design screams premium gaming. Whether you're going full RGB unicorn or clean stealth mode, the GUNGNIR adapts to your vibe. The tempered glass side panel lets you show off your hardware while still maintaining clean lines and solid construction. The front I/O panel comes packed with modern options: USB 3.2 Gen 1, Gen 2x2, Type-C, audio jacks, and dedicated LED control. So no extra software needed just to tweak lighting on the fly. Internally, there's space for a 360mm GPU, and you can pack in serious storage with dedicated SSD and HDD bays. Whether you're a content creator, streamer, or hardcore gamer, you're getting expansion room and modern connectivity without compromise. So, is the MSI MPG GUNGNIR 300R Airflow worth it? Absolutely. It's a case that blends high-end cooling, modular design, and bold aesthetics into one future-proof chassis. Whether you're building your first gaming rig or your 10th, this case gives you the freedom, cooling, and style you've been searching for. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this beast is going in your next build, and stay tuned for more epic PC gear breakdowns.